Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the right tools. That matters more than perfect talent. Lay out 90-120 GSM paper and keep HB and 2B pencils ready. First, pick a simple subject and block major shapes lightly, circles, rectangles, triangles to map proportion. Use loose, confident strokes, do not press hard. Once the basic construction sits on the page, check relationships and negative spaces. Make small corrections with the eraser. This starting map prevents later distortions and speeds the whole sketch. You now build form by refining those construction lines into confident contours. Trace over the ones that read correctly and erase redundant marks. Then introduce value, start mid-tones, deepen core shadows with 2B4B, and lift highlights gently with an eraser. Vary pressure and pencil grade so tones layer naturally. This gives depth. Once value relationships are clear, blend sparingly to unify planes, but keep texture where needed. Make sure to step back frequently. Viewing from distance reveals proportional errors faster than close inspection. You finish by locking in the strongest lines and boosting contrast so the sketch reads clearly, darken shadows, sharpen key edges, and add decisive small details. Once done, clean stray strokes and refine silhouettes. A clean margin improves impact. If something still looks off, measure with sighting. Hold pencil at arm's length, compare angles and proportions, then gently rework the construction beneath current marks. Make sure to preserve texture. Over-erasing flattens the drawing. Sign and step back, your sketch is complete.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.